In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Privacy Badger to Chrome. If you want a simple way to reduce online tracking without a lot of setup, this walkthrough will get you there quickly and safely. Start by opening Google Chrome and heading to the Chrome Web Store. In the search bar, type Privacy Badger. You're looking for the extension with the Badger icon, published by the Electronic Frontier Foundation. Verifying the publisher helps ensure you're installing the authentic tool. When you're on the correct page, you'll see a clear description that focuses on blocking trackers and protecting privacy. Next, install the extension. Click Add to Chrome, and when Chrome asks for confirmation in a pop-up, click Add Extension. The download is small and should finish in a moment. Chrome may show a brief notification letting you know the extension was added, and Privacy Badger will be ready to go as soon as it's installed. No account or sign-up required. To keep it handy, pin it to your toolbar. Click the puzzle piece icon in the top right corner of Chrome to open the extensions menu. Find Privacy Badger in the list and click the pin icon. You'll now see the Badger icon appear next to your address bar, making it easy to check what's happening on any page you visit. From here, Privacy Badger starts working automatically. It looks for hidden trackers that follow you across sites and blocks them in the background. It also sends a do not track signal to websites, asking them not to track you. Over time, it learns which domains behave like trackers and adjusts its blocking more effectively based on your browsing. You don't have to tinker with anything to get solid protection right away. If you want to fine-tune things, click the Privacy Badger icon while you're on a page. You'll see trackers listed with simple color levels. Green typically allows, yellow limits tracking by blocking cookies, and red blocks outright. You can manually allow or block specific items, or even allow a site if something important isn't loading. A quick page refresh usually reflects any changes you make. If a page breaks after blocking, try easing a slider to yellow or green until it works again. A quick note before we wrap up. Privacy Badger is made by the Electronic Frontier Foundation and focuses on blocking tracking scripts rather than traditional ads. It's a privacy tool first, not an ad blocker, and it's designed to learn and adapt as you browse. That's it. You've added Privacy Badger to Chrome and set it up for safer, more private browsing.